everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today is Paletteful Packs Day. Paletteful Packs is a monthly art subscription box. Oops. And this is the February Premier Paletteful Packs box. Let's see what's inside. Oh, looks like we've got aqua inks this month. They don't send the cards anymore. They actually put them on their website and email them. I don't have that email yet. I just checked, but it's not even February yet. I got the box pretty early this month. So looks like we are going with aqua inks this month. So aqua inks are pretty cool because it's like liquid watercolor. Looks like we have a copper. We have a rose gold, which is very pretty. A pearl white. A pearl green. Pearl red. So it looks like we definitely have a pearl theme here. These appear to all be metallic, so we will definitely swatch these and take a look afterwards. And pearl blue. Color choices are excellent. Gold, and silver. So that's a lot of aqua inks. It's also a Marabou brand, which we do tend to get lots of Marabou brands. So there are 9 different colors. And then we have a Princeton Select Round 6. A Pentel Arts Dual Metallic Brush Marker in the color violet and metallic blue. So it looks like one color, one side is one color. The other side is another color. So it looks like we have to prime them. And there's only one side. So we'll have to take a look, swatch that, see what that's all about. That'll be kind of cool. We have a sticker this time, which is a kitty cat on a laptop. So that is cute. Something over here. Art Alternatives Pigment Liner, number 5. I feel like my last one didn't work. So I don't know if this is part of the box, but anyways. And then the Marabou Graphics Aqua Pad. This is 20 sheets cellulose paper. Watercolor painting paper. So there you have it. There's no prices because that would be on their website. Since they don't send the cards anymore. They stopped doing that during COVID. So I'm not sure if it's related or if it was just an easier way for them to save money. I don't know. But they do have the cards. It's electronic now, which doesn't work well for opening the box when you don't have it yet. You have the box, but you don't have the card yet. So, anyways, let's take a look at these colors real quick. I do have a palette sitting here. Here's their paper pad. It's a normal watercolor paper. It's pretty thick. It says 220 GSM, GM. My bad. With these paints, you have to shake them up really well because the pigment's on the bottom. I don't think I shook that up well enough. Let's do this pin first, and then I can speed up through the paints for you. So this says, recap after each use. Don't know if I hold or if I pump. I don't want to flood it with too much either, so. It does say dual metallic brush, so purple and blue. Okay, so we're starting to get paint on it. There's the purple. Still pretty dry. Okay, so here's the blue. It's really pretty. I do like that. I wonder if it's water soluble also. Depending on how you look at it, it's purple or blue. Purple with blue, so very pretty. And I don't have any water with me. I will get some, but let's spray a little bit. Oh yeah, very water soluble. Pretty color. So I've used these before in the past. You've probably seen me use them in the past. They are really good. I mean, the pigment's good. I do enjoy these, not the pen. I do enjoy watercolor, so it's perfectly fine. Great color choice. So let me know what you think in the comment box below. I will definitely create something as well as do a swatch for you guys. And yeah, have a great February and let's create.
you.